I'm Anna, I'm an artist. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am making a nativity tray and Christmas coasters, and I'm really excited to share the process with you. Thanks for joining me, I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna check my watch because I want to make sure I mix my resin for a full 5 to 6 minutes so that it is completely, the part A and B are completely mixed together. It's the resin and the hardener. So it's been the amount of time, it's all clear, and I'm adding in a mica powder in aquamarine. And it gave us a really nice blue, and we're gonna add ultramarine acrylic paint as well. This tray is going to have two main colors, the blue of the sky and then a little bit darker for a silhouetted landscape. I will list the supplies that I used in the description. I saved a little bit of the resin because I'm just going to darken what I already have with some acrylic ink in black, as well as some black mica powder. I'm spreading this out here, this blue, this is going to be the sky. Then I'm going in with the heat gun to pop the air bubbles, the torch as well. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of fine gold glitter, and I don't pour it straight out of the bottle because it just uncontrollably gushes out. So I just put it on my hand first and then sprinkle the amount that I want. This is to give the impression of a starry sky. Alright, so I'm just moving around the workspace here, just kind of showing you some of the other projects I have drying and giving you a different angle of this tray. So you can see what we have here for our palette. It's just a simple blue and the black. Now I'm taking the aquamarine and black pearl dry mica powders, and I'm going to do the same palette for these coasters. The Christmas coasters are going to go they're going to match with the tray, coordinate with it. So I used the same paint and now the acrylic ink. And just so you can see the materials a little closer, there's the gold. It's a very fine glitter. And here's the resin I used. So it's Counterculture DIY. This is their artist resin. I get these silicone mixing sticks. I use the wooden craft sticks as well, but the silicone sticks can be reused over and over, so that's nice. You kind of cut down on the waste. And after using them, just as soon as I'm done, I wipe them off with like a paper towel with rubbing alcohol, and it cleans the resin right off. And if I forget to, then when it's dry, you can peel the resin right off of it. So I'm setting my timer here so I can see that I just see how long it takes to mix it until it's all the way, all the way mixed. And that was just about 5 minutes. So I sped that up, but here's the beautiful color that resulted. It's pretty much the same thing we used in the sky on the tray. It's a beautiful shimmer. So I'm gonna just pour this on these coasters. Let it spread out a little bit. I'm adding the acrylic ink into the resin that I've reserved. I'm just trying to darken this, just like we did on the tray. The black pearl mica powder. I could see that the resin was flowing to one side of these coaster molds, so my workspace must not be entirely level, but I just flipped them around before adding the rest of it. Now I'm blending the two colors together. The heat gun pops the bubbles and also blends the resin. Right, we're going back to the tray, and here I've found some really neat 3D stickers from Hobby Lobby. These were, I think, the Paper Project brand, and I wanted to do something with the Nativity. And I think I'm gonna go with the Glory to God decal. Just have to figure out where it will look the best. I'm gonna go with the center. These stickers did come out from the surface pretty far. I actually ended up having to do 5 clear coats on top of them just to cover them completely so the surface of the tray would be level. These are tiny little gold rhinestone stickers that I'm going to use for the stars. Just wanted everything to kind of pop out of the background. So that's how many I put on the first layer, and then I went back in and added some on the subsequent layers to give it more depth. And the coasters, they're going to have a little Merry Christmas decal right in the middle. It's just a sticker with the shiny gold. The clear backgrounds of these stickers almost disappear once you press them really tightly to the surface. I just use my fingernail to go over them, press them down really hard. Okay, we're mixing up some clear resin here. gonna go over with the top coat. And like I said, I did about 5 coats on the tray, so every day added another clear coat on top until it was completely flat and smooth over those stickers. And then some crushed glass on the coasters, just around the edges to give it some sparkle. And this is how the coasters turned out. I'll also show you some photos of the tray when it's complete. Aren't they so pretty? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stop by again, and I would love to have your name pop up as a subscriber. Feel free to write me a note as well in the comments. It's nice to be able to get to know you a little bit. And if you enjoyed this video or got some inspiration or encouragement from it, let me know with a thumbs up. I really appreciate being able to do what I love and share it with you, and I wish you the best. Take care and God bless.